In the 1920s, a vibrant Spanish community thrived in New York City's Little Spain, centered around Manhattan's West 14th Street. Immigrants from Spain brought with them not just their language and traditions, but also a rich and deeply rooted food culture. These dishes were more than meals, they were a connection to home. One of the most common foods was simple rustic bread. Fresh bread was a daily staple, often eaten with olive oil or dipped into soups and stews. Olive oil itself was a key ingredient, used generously in cooking and as a finishing touch. Another essential dish was tortilla española, a thick potato and egg omelet. It was affordable, filling, and easy to prepare, making it perfect for working-class families. Soup played a big role in daily meals. Dishes like garlic soup were made with basic ingredients like bread, garlic, paprika, and broth. Rice dishes were also popular, influenced by Spain's culinary traditions. While seafood paella was less common due to cost, simpler rice dishes with vegetables or small amounts of meat were widely eaten. Beans and legumes were incredibly important. Lentils, chickpeas, and white beans were cooked into hearty stews that provided protein and warmth. Another staple was cured meats such as chorizo. Even small portions could add rich flavor to large family meals. Sardines were also widely consumed. These affordable fish were often canned or preserved, making them accessible to immigrant families. Cheese, particularly simple-aged varieties, was enjoyed in moderation. Vegetables like onions, tomatoes, peppers, and cabbage formed the base of many dishes. Meals were often simple, but deeply flavorful, relying on technique and tradition rather than expensive ingredients. Food in Little Spain was not just about survival, it was about preserving identity in a new world. These dishes laid the foundation for a food culture that would continue to evolve in America. Daily life for Spanish immigrants in 1920s New York was often challenging, but food remained a source of comfort and pride. Meals were built around affordable ingredients that could feed large families. One popular dish was caldo, a simple broth-based soup filled with vegetables and sometimes small pieces of meat. Another favorite was arroz con palo, a comforting rice dish cooked with chicken and spices. Salt cod, known as bacalao, was a key ingredient. It could be stored for long periods and used in a variety of recipes. Stews were extremely common. These dishes combined beans, vegetables, and meats into slow-cooked meals that lasted for days. Another staple was fried eggs served with bread or potatoes. Potatoes were incredibly important because they were cheap and versatile. Empanadas were also enjoyed. These stuffed pastries could be filled with meat, vegetables, or fish. Street food vendors sometimes sold roasted nuts or simple snacks. Another favorite was flan, a caramel custard dessert that provided a sweet ending to meals. Coffee culture was also strong. Many immigrants gathered in cafes to drink coffee and socialize. Meals were often eaten together, reinforcing family bonds and community ties. Despite financial struggles, Spanish immigrants maintained a rich culinary tradition that brought comfort and familiarity. Cooking in Little Spain relied heavily on tradition and resourcefulness. Many recipes were adapted based on available ingredients in New York. Seafood remained important, even if it wasn't always fresh. Fish like sardines and anchovies were commonly used. Another popular dish was gazpacho, especially during warmer months. Garlic and onions were essential ingredients in almost every meal. Paprika added depth and color to dishes, becoming a defining flavor. Bread-based dishes were also common, including soaked bread recipes. Another favorite was simple grilled meats when families could afford them. Vegetable dishes were often seasoned with olive oil and herbs. Rice and beans combinations provided balanced, Nutrition: meals were often cooked in large pots and shared among family members. Food preparation was a daily ritual that connected people to their roots. Even in a new country, these recipes preserve the flavors of Spain. This blend of tradition and adaptation defined the food culture of Little Spain. Spanish immigrants didn't just cook at home, they also built a thriving food culture through cafes and small restaurants. These establishments served traditional dishes to both immigrants and curious locals. Tapas-style eating was common, with small plates shared among friends. Wine was also part of the culture, often enjoyed in moderation with meals. Another popular dish was croquettes, small fried bites filled with meat or cheese. Sandwiches made with fresh bread and simple fillings were also common. Desserts remained an important part of meals, especially on special occasions. Markets played a key role in providing fresh ingredients. Food became a way to maintain cultural identity in a foreign land. The social aspect of dining helped strengthen community bonds. Even simple meals became meaningful experiences when shared with others. Little Spain's food culture influenced the broader culinary scene in New York City. Looking back at the foods of Spanish immigrants in 1920s Little Spain, it's clear that these meals were about more than just nutrition. They represented resilience, tradition, and adaptation. Families relied on simple ingredients, but transformed them into flavorful and satisfying dishes. Cooking techniques were passed down through generations. Meals were often slow-cooked, allowing flavors to develop fully. Despite limited resources, these communities created rich and diverse menus. Food also served as a connection to their homeland. Today, many of these dishes continue to influence modern cuisine. The legacy of Little Spain lives on through its flavors and traditions. Understanding these foods helps us appreciate the cultural contributions of immigrants. These meals remind us that great food doesn't require luxury, just passion, tradition, and creativity. In the end, the story of Spanish food in 1920s New York is one of survival, identity, and unforgettable flavor.